perfection, attention to detail.
And Indooroopilly's premium address.
This is a statement family home, fully renovated to a level we very rarely see.
And it's so practical for the family, over 2 levels. You've got parents upstairs, kids downstairs, playing pickleball, they've got their rumpus room, you've got sunset drinks on the deck, overlooking the Brisbane River. It is just beautiful here.
This prime position is so close to everything. St Peter's Lutheran College is walking distance, Indooroopilly Golf Club, St Lucia Golf Links, we've got Indooroopilly Train Station, Indooroopilly State High. It's all here.
This is a really special home not to be missed.
We'll see you at the scheduled open homes.